Hello friends, let's continue with our series. For the lecture number 19, we will be learning about lambda function. Let's begin. Alright, so let's understand the definition of lambda function. A lambda function is a short, anonymous function in Python. It is defined using the lambda keyword instead of def. Alright, so it's basically a short function. It has anonymity in Python language. It is defined using the lambda keyword instead of the def keyword or the define keyword of Python. Lambda functions are used to create simple one-line functions that are not necessarily reused anywhere else. Let's look at the characteristics. Lambda functions can take multiple arguments, but they can only contain one expression. The result of the expression is automatically returned. They are often used for short tasks or when a function is needed temporarily. Unlike regular functions, lambda functions do not have a name unless assigned to a variable. So what does it say? It basically says that lambda functions can have more than one argument. However, they can only contain one expression. The expression will be only one expression. The result of this expression is automatically returned. Alright. They are often used for short tasks or when a function is needed temporarily. And unlike your regular functions, lambda functions do not have a name unless assigned to a variable. Alright. So by default they do not have a name like the real function we have, the regular function we have. They have a name. But lambda function, they do not have a name. Let's see some of the use cases. Lambda functions are commonly used with functions like map to apply a function to all items in a list. Alright. Filter to filter a list based on a condition. Sorted to sort using custom rules, and also used in places where a full function definition would be unnecessary or too verbose. Alright. So basically lambda functions exist for flexibility and simplicity. Then we see some advantages. It helps keep the code concise. As I already told you, it is used to maintain the code clarity, and it is used when you do not need to bring the entire function to yourself. It is useful for writing throwaway functions used only once. Alright. So using the lambda functions, you can define a function that you are going to be using just once in your program and be done with it. It makes functional programming patterns more readable. Alright. So it provides readability, clarity and flexibility as well. And what are the limitations? It can only contain one expression, no statements, no loops or multiple lines, just one expression. It cannot perform complex logic or operations, right? And it is typically used for simple tasks only. Alright, so those were some of the limitations of our lambda functions. This was all theory. I was hoping that you are able to understand all this, and I hope you liked the video. I will see you in the next one, and thank you for watching.